Here's an example where you're going to say, you can do that? Brad Williams, XL Prime. Yes, you can. What am I talking about? I'm going to change this flight AB777 into flight 780 in a snap. How? Keep in mind, we have this increments thing. We also have this wonderful tool. It's called the write function. And combined with text, here it is, flight and text, right? B5, 3 plus C5, 0, 0. Starting from right to left, we have this text function. What does it do? We have a value and we have a format. Critical in this case to understand our format. We're changing this configuration over into this. Text does its thing. But let's look at write. What's write doing? I just think this Excel language is just misconstrued, or it's just wrong. I think it's just wrong. So I'm going to use my language. Write. B5. I want to keep everything starting from right to left. Anything after the third character, get rid of. I want to keep only the first 3 letters, characters, whatever they are. That's it. Then this text function will actually take the remaining number. Here it is. Write B3. Saving everything, and we're getting rid of everything else. Saving the first 3. Then this text function is going to add C5, this increment. We're saying, you can do that, we can do that. As I said, it's critical that we're in the right format, which is this number format. All we're doing is we're using the flight. Okay, we didn't touch the flight. All we did was focus on everything after the flight. We just concatenated the flight and 780. Our end result, 780. Yep, Excel does have some nifty little tools. It's just the combination and then the logic. Read it if you need it. Take a look at the anatomy. Work through this one, okay? Break it down. Break it down if you need to. You know, shake your head going, I'm going to study this stuff a little more in depth. This is really neat. There are some really, you're going to start turning over rocks going, all right, this Excel stuff isn't half bad. The calculating side is fine. It's all of this other stuff. All of the other stuff that's sort of, it's the administrative side. You know, for example, all of this garbage just shows up while you're trying to complete your tasks. You know, we get all this stuff here. I can tell you how many times I've used this. Not much. Brad Williams, XL Prime. This one was kind of cool. All right, I don't like to use that word cool, but this one, thumbs up.